Hey guys, so as you might be aware, OnePlus had to pull out the latest oxygenos 11 update because it had some bugs and issues. So there is an update 11.1.1 that is available on the oxygenos updater. You can see over here, and you should be getting this update within a few days, but you can also try and download this using the oxygenos updater. So you can see the changelog. It seems to fix some bugs and improve the stability. I personally had performance issues, particularly when you do heavy gaming. It does seem to lag quite a bit compared to the previous version. So you can wait for the official OTA update, or you can install using the Oxygen updater. You can see I am actually running the oxygenos 11, so I need to just download the OTA file. So here it is just about 100 MB. To install this, go into the settings, system updates, and click on the gear icon. You will see this OTA file. As you can see, just click on that and it is done pretty much, and you won't lose any data. So you can see here I'm done with the update. So this is the 11.1.1 as you can see over here. Honestly speaking, I cannot comment on the performance or the bug fixes because it's been launched just about few hours ago, and I have just tested this for just about 2-3 hours. So I will try and maybe update this in terms of performance and other things. And for a reference, I actually did the benchmarks before and after the update. So you can see here there is a slight difference, but it doesn't mean anything. But just wanted to share this for those who are interested in numbers. So I'll try and share more details with a post or a video. So make sure you like this video, also subscribe guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.